Alright, we're back. This is the entryway to Waxberry. Doorbell does not work, so that would need to be addressed. As you walk in, you go to the right. We have the kitchen area. Very nice setting for your dining, or even a little kitchenette. New tile. It looks like it's maybe about the 15-inch tiles. Of course, you have your granite counter. You have new cabinets put in, so this is definitely worth seeing, worth considering. New cabinetry, 14-inch cabinets. You have your faux blinds. That's also a nice little feature, a nice update. New I guess that's your red bronze. What that is? And it pulls out. Give you guys a little bit more detail. New stainless steel appliances. So we both have the washer, dishwasher, and gas stove. So that's definitely a bonus. Plus